Okay, and welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about coupon codes. Now, coupon codes as they relate to the Connect Your Sales Team site refer to either percentage discounts or even full dollar amount discounts that can be applied to a particular event. So if you notice here on our site, we've got the Mrs. Fields Cookie event coming up on June 22nd, and it costs $50 to attend. Let's say I wanted to either offer a group of people a 25% discount on the event, or let's say we had a large organization that wanted to send hundreds, if not thousands of users to the event, and they wanted to pay for that event in one kind of purchase order rather than having all those users come to the site and transact, individual credit card payments in order for them to attend the event. So let's take a look at how this might work by logging into our account setup area. Now in the account setup area, we've got a link called Coupon Codes. Coupon Codes is where we come to create unique codes that can be used either for a particular organization. They can be created to be printed on actual flyers that you might send out or email blasts that you might send out offering up a discount or what have you. You can see here I've got existing codes that I've created previously, or I can define new codes by clicking on the button here at the top. Now I'm going to pretend that we have created a discount for Mrs. Fields Cookies. So we're going to call it Mrs. Fields 50% discount. So this will be a coupon code that will hand maybe a group of franchisees that we want to promote this event to, so they'll want to come and learn more about the franchise opportunity that we're offering. So I've got the option to create either a random code where our system will just randomly generate the code, or if you've got some other system that creates codes, you can click on self-generated codes and either enter them one per line, or you can paste in a series that you may be generated from another system. I'm going to go ahead and do the random codes, and I'm going to go ahead and generate 200. We'll say we're sending this to a group of 200 investors that we want to take a look at our opportunity. You can designate the number of characters that makes up your code. You can even add in a prefix. So I might want to do Mrs. We'll just do Mrs. as the prefix. That way we're kind of identifying these as being a part of this particular event. Then when we come down to the code attributes area, we can either do a percentage discount or a dollar value discount. I'm going to go ahead and do a percentage value discount, and we'll say we'll offer these people a 50% discount. We can choose to have our code expire or not expire. I'm going to go ahead and choose yes, and then I'll just make these codes available for a year. So June 14th of 2012 is when they'll expire. And if I leave this set to 0, they'll be able to use the codes over and over again. I'm going to make them single use so they can only be used once. Now there is an option to maintain a balance, which only applies if we were to select a dollar amount under discount type. You can actually create a code that behaves much like a like a gift card. The gift card would have X amount of dollars associated to it, and then that gift card could be used across multiple events that might exist on the site. Now under event, we can either associate the code to a particular event, or we can just allow the code to be applicable to any event on the site. And then once I click Create Codes Now, my screen's going to refresh, and now here is my Mrs. Fields 50% discount. If I click View, the screen refreshes, and now I can see all of my codes that are all generated and randomly generated, and they all have a prefix of Mrs. at the beginning of them. I also have a little indicator that tells me how many uses each code has left. Now from here, I can export my codes into a CSV file and then hand them out either to a customer, or I could use them for a mail merge and send out an email blast to my designated audience and add one code per email. And that is how we create coupon codes. Hope you found this tutorial helpful, and we look forward to seeing you again.